Hello friends, the objective of this lecture is to find answers to the following question. Which is the best strategy to prepare for civil services? What is the need of solving practice question? Why should you solve past year prelim? First of all, we should be clear with the objective of preparation. So what does preparation mean for civil services exam? Not just reading, but learning of concepts and fact, and also application of these concepts and fact. But how can one learn so many concepts and be able to apply those concepts? One strategy is underlining. One should underline all concepts in fact. Underlining improves learning because it helps us in identifying important information. Underlining also saves time in subsequent revision. An even better strategy is to make synopsis. What are synopses? Synopses are short notes containing facts and concepts in an organized manner. Why should one make synopsis? When we make short notes, we identify the relevant information and organize that information. For identification of important information and its organization, we are required to process information up to its meaning. This involves deeper processing of information. Deeper processing of information makes memory better. Moreover, synopsis can be easily revised time and again. Why is synopsis better than underlining? Underlining involves mere identification of important information, whereas synopsis involves identification as well as organization of important information. Let us take an example to understand this better. Here you can see a topic from Indian polity with important information being underlined. And for synopsis, we have identified important information like we did in underlining, and beyond that, we have organized it into 4 parts: source of constitution, nature of Indian state, aspiration for citizens, date of adoption. We have further identified the sub-parts under nature of Indian state and aspirations for citizens, giving the paragraph a structure. Here you can see examples on how to make synopsis. Even the most difficult theory can be simplified through synopsis. This is an example from economics, and another one from IR. Then we come to importance of revisions. Why revise? Without revisions, it is almost impossible to keep so much study material in memory. But how many times should you revise? Although the number of revisions depend upon person to person, still the following schedule can be followed. Revise what you've learnt on the previous day. Revise what you've learnt on the same day of the previous week. Revise what you've learnt on the same date of the previous month. Why solve practice questions? It sets the expectations about the nature of questions asked in the exam. It helps in consolidation of learning, thorough analysis, and application of subject matter. Apart from practice questions, why should you also solve past year questions? Assessment of preparation before taking the exam builds confidence. Chapter-wise questions enable quick feedback. Thank you and best of luck.